morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So as we know that we have got these unexpected holidays. So let's not waste our time and utilize it by doing maths. So we have to start new chapter, that is chapter number 12, perimeter and area. So we'll understand what perimeter is and how can we find out perimeter. So let's see what all we are going to study today. Today we are going to study about what is perimeter, what are polygons. We have already discussed about polygons in previous chapter, geometry. And third is how to find out perimeter of different shapes. So let's start. What is perimeter? Perimeter is made up of two words, that is peri and metron. Here the peri means around of any shape, and metron means measure, its measurement. So what is perimeter? Perimeter means measurement of around or boundary of a shape. It talks about around a shape, or we can say boundary of the shape. Next, polygons. What are polygons? A polygon is a closed figure made up of three or more line segments. Any shape which is made up of three or more line segments is called polygons, and polygons are closed figures. Here you can see the pictures of some polygons. First is triangle. It is equilateral triangle, means all three sides are equal. Then is square. We know that square is having four sides and all sides of square are equal. Next is pentagon, five sides, and as you can see here it is written regular pentagon. It means all the five sides will be equal. The measurement of all the five sides will be equal. Next is hexagon, a shape with six sides, or we can say a polygon with six sides. And a polygon with seven sides is called heptagon. A polygon with eight sides is called octagon. And a polygon with nine sides will be nonagon. And last, a polygon with 10 sides will be called decagon. So now let's understand how to find out perimeter. So to find out perimeter, we have to add the measurement of all the sides. Sum of measure of all sides is perimeter. So let's start the exercise 12.1. Question number 1 is find the perimeter of the following figures. So some figures are given and we have to find out their perimeter. Part A, square with each side of length 7 cm. We all know that square is a shape which is having four sides and length of each side is equal, and here the length is given 7 cm. So let's start solution, and you have to do exercise 12.1 question number 1 in your classwork notebook. So in solution, first we will write square is equal to 4 equal sides. Length of each side is equal to 7 cm. And to find out the perimeter of square, we have to find the sum of all four sides. We have to add the measurement of all four sides. Here the length is given 7 cm. So 7 cm plus 7 cm plus 7 cm plus 7 cm. So in short, we can write it as 4 into 7, 4 times the length of side. So 4 into 7, 4 sevens are 28 centimeter. So the formula for finding out the perimeter of a square is 4 into s. 4 multiplied by the length of s. S means side. So whenever you have to find out the perimeter of a square, you can write this formula. P of square or perimeter of square is equal to 4 into length of the side. This s is length of the side. Let's move to next part. We have to find out the perimeter of a triangle with side length 3 cm, 6 cm and 8 cm. So here the length of all three sides is equal. So let's start the solution. Triangle, how many sides are there? 3 sides. Length of sides is given 3 cm, 6 cm and 8 cm. And to find out the perimeter, we will write perimeter of triangle equals to sum of all three sides. And now we'll add all three sides. 3 cm plus 6 cm plus 8 cm equals to 17 centimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle with side length 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter is equals to 17 centimeter. Let's move to next part C. We have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle with length. This L represents the length 6 centimeter. B for breadth is equals to 8 centimeter. So when you will start solution, you will write rectangle equals to 4 sides. Length L is given 6 centimeter, breadth B is given 8 centimeter and perimeter is sum of all 4 sides. So sum of all 4 sides means L plus B plus B. So here we can see 2 times length and 2 times breadth is given. So 2L plus 2B. And what we'll do, we'll write the 2 only one time and in bracket we will add this length and breadth. Now we will put the values of length and breadth. 2 in bracket 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So when we will add 6 and 8, we'll get 14 centimeter, or we can write it as 2 into 14 centimeter. So 2 14s are, or 14 2s are 28 centimeter. So what is the formula for finding out perimeter of a rectangle? The formula for finding out perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. 2 times length is there, 2 times breadth is there. So 2 in bracket length plus breadth. You have to put the values of L and B here and you will get the perimeter. Let's move to next part. Part D is your homework. You will do in PC. Next part is we have to find out the perimeter of a pentagon with each side of length 4 centimeter. As you can see, all 5 sides are equal of length 4 centimeter. So let's start solution. Pentagon is equals to 5 sides. Length of each side equals to 4 centimeter. So we have to find out perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all 4 sides. Side plus side plus side plus side plus side. So how many times sides are there, or how many sides are there? 5 sides are there in a pentagon. So 5 into S. So 5 fours are 20 centimeter. Part F is your homework and you'll see next question. Some figures are given and you have to find out the perimeter of these shapes. So we know that for finding out perimeter of different shapes, we have to add the sides. So this question number 2 you will do in your book. You have to add all the sides and write their perimeter. So what's your homework? Today's homework is exercise 12.1, question number 1 in F in PC and question number 2 in book. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.